Imagine a world where robots perform tasks that are unsafe, repetitive, or simply boring. Well, that future is closer than you think, thanks to the advancements in humanoid robotics. The forerunner in this robotic revolution is none other than Tesla, with their groundbreaking humanoid robot, Optimus. The journey of Optimus began with a simple yet ambitious vision. Tesla's CEO, Elon Musk, envisioned a future where robots could coexist with humans, assisting in everyday tasks and providing a safer, more efficient world. Thus, the concept of Optimus was born. The first version of Optimus made a splash in the tech world with its impressive features. However, it was the second generation, the Optimus Gen 2, that truly showcased the potential of humanoid robotics. The Gen 2 was not only 30% faster, but also 22 pounds lighter than its predecessor, demonstrating Tesla's commitment to continuous improvement. The capabilities of Optimus Gen 2 stretch far beyond its speed and weight. In a recent demonstration, it showcased its ability to perform yoga stretches, squat, and even pick up an egg. These feats may seem simple, but they represent a significant leap in robotic technology. The ability to perform such delicate tasks requires a high level of precision and control, highlighting the advanced engineering behind Optimus. Yet the development of Optimus is not without its challenges. As with any technological innovation, there are potential roadblocks and setbacks. Elon Musk's biographer even suggests that Musk often underestimates the timeline for achieving his goals. Despite these hurdles, Tesla remains steadfast in its pursuit of advanced humanoid robotics. What sets Tesla's Optimus apart from competitors like Agility Robotics is its potential to contribute significantly to Tesla's long-term value. Musk envisions selling humanoid robots by 2027, a goal that, if achieved, could revolutionize not just the tech industry but everyday life as we know it. In conclusion, Tesla's Optimus represents the cutting edge of humanoid robotics. With its advanced capabilities and potential for continuous development, Optimus could redefine our future. From performing mundane tasks to assisting in potentially hazardous situations, Optimus could make our lives safer and more efficient. The journey of Tesla's Optimus is more than just the story of a robot. It's the story of our future, a future where technology and humanity coexist, where robots assist and enhance our lives, and where the impossible becomes possible. So brace yourselves, because the future of humanoid robotics is here and its name is Optimus.